Today I'm just going to do a quick tutorial on how to set up a YouTube thumbnail preset in your Affinity Photo so that you can quickly pull it when you're ready to do a new thumbnail. It's very simple to do. You're going to go to File, New. You're going to look for your web layouts. You'll see WXGA. It's at 1280 by 800 pixels, and we need to actually be at 720 according to YouTube's resolution recommendations. So what I do is I'm just going to come over here where it says page width 1280 by 800. I'm going to change this to 720, and I'm also going to change the DPI to 300. Over in the color, I'm going to leave the color as the default. That's just what I prefer. You can change this to whatever you like. I also do a transparent background because I sometimes want to have different colors. Not that it really matters too much. Now, because you've changed this, you'll see the WXGA up here has a star. That means it's been modified. I also want to just create a name for this so that I can easily find it later. So I'm going to hit this little plus icon right here next to it, and it's going to pop up a create preset name, and I'm going to rename it to YouTube thumbnail. I'm going to change the category for myself to web, and it will drop it underneath the web. And I'm just going to change the icon to the web and click OK. And what it will do is it will now create the YouTube thumbnail preset for me. So if I click create now, it's already ready to go. But later, when I want to start again, I can click file and click new, and it'll be there already ready to go. And all I have to do is click create. So there you are, ready to go.